So any kind of website you can design, first of all, create by maps. In a maps, how to give access to the multiple users to accessing purpose and posting purpose. They are mentioned by the some rules. That is called, here the option call is users. In this, select a particular user, invite new user. The rule will be total three: owner 100% access, manager 80%, communication manager is a site manager. Third one is called 50% access. You can add your email address. First of all, immediately is activation not done. You receive by email. Rule is owner. Now click for invite. Invitation done. Click for done. First you can check my mapping. Any website is there with IT solutions? No. Select here, login Gmail. You first of all receive email, accept invitation. Without accept invitation, the customer do not add by your Google Map listing. Select it here. What I'm setting? Accept invitation. Finally, accept. Previous, these are the mapping we can use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can call for refresh. So where you can add by in this. Then this is access from multiple user in your Google My Business. How many access? 3. Site manager 50%, manager 80%, owner will be 100%.